Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To reset your Spectrum router and fix connectivity issues, follow these steps. First, locate the reset button on your router, usually found at the back. Second, use a paper clip or similar object to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. The router's lights will blink, indicating it's resetting. Release the button and allow the router a few minutes to reboot. This process restores the router to factory settings, which can help resolve connectivity problems. Remember, this will erase any custom settings, including your Wi-Fi network name and password.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.